Morning, afternoon, wherever you're watching. So welcome back once again to the Nikki Math Class channel. So it's dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have a question on the board. The board has some statistics. It says the frequency table shows the marks of the marks scored by 32 students. That's the total number of students in the test. Look at the marks scored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it was a test that was rated out of 10. So how many people scored 1, 2? How many people scored 2, 3? How many people scored 3, mark 4, and so on and so forth. Now, the first question we asked is find the mean mark of the students. So 1, the mean, our x bar is equals to summation of f of x over summation of f. So here is our frequency, the number of students, frequency, and this is our x. So let's look at f of x. So 1 times 2 is 2. F of x, let me put it here, 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 4, 20. 6 times 4, 24. 7 times 5, 35. 8 times 3, 24. 9 times 2, 18, 10 times 1, 10. Now we are going to add all this together. So this is 8, 20, 40, 56, 80, 90. Okay. So this will give us 167. 167 over, we have this is 32. That's if you add all this together, we've already been given, that's 32. This will give us about 5.218. Okay, it's approximately 5.22 to 2 decimal place. Let's put the answer to 2 decimal place. So this is the mean of the students, the average score of the student, 5.22. Now the next one is find the median mark. Now for us to find the median mark, the first thing we look at it, this number, is it odd or even? So the median will lie, median mark, we'll look for the cumulative frequency. So the median mark will lie in the, since it's an even number that is here, we use n over 2 position of the cumulative frequency So if it were to be odd, we'll say n plus 1 over 2 position. So let's look at the cumulative frequency. So this is, how do we do that? We put the first frequency, our CF. The first frequency is 2. We add the other ones to it. 2 plus 3, that's 5. 4 plus 5, that's 9. 9 plus 4, that's 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 5, that's 26. 26 plus 3, that's 29. 29 plus 2, that's 31. 31 plus 1, that's 32. So now how many are the 32? So we'll see which is equals to the 32 over 2 position. 32 over 2 give us 16th position. So let's find which number lies in the 16th position. These two, no, it's more than that. 5 is more than 9, more than not up to, rather, not more than. So this is 17th. So this place, this is where the 16th position will lie. We can't use here because this is more than 21. So this is the position, and which number is here? The mark that is lying on the 17th position. This is where the 16th position will be. So therefore the median is equals to 5. So median mark is equals to 5. So that's the median mark. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. If you enjoyed today's class, and the explanation, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you're struggling or any question, put in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content. Till we meet again in the next Mickey Mouse Class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.